just started.
Okay, this is the
All right,
carburetor.
so let me say what we did. We got the top off by taking up the 3 screws, and then we took 2 screws out of the side, one on the inside, one on the outside.
There,
And
2 and 2
those-
smaller ones.
The smaller ones were where?
Here and here.
Okay.
One's underneath there.
Okay, and those were the shinier ones.
Yep.
All right, now we're where we are.
And those are just threading into plastic, so you don't want to tighten them a lot.
Okay,
They'll
don't
strip.
tighten them, we're tight.
This is the carburetor. This is what we're going to replace.
Okay.
Because this thing fires up and then it immediately stalls.
Okay.
Probably because the carburetor's blocked up. So this gas tank just lifts off.
Okay.
And it's held on to the engine with hose clamps. I'll just leave this off. You don't even really need them.
Okay.
But
Is it empty?
nope.
You have to take the gas tank off?
Yep.
How are you gonna get it to that weight?
Probably not.
Do you need help?
I'm just going to hold it up vertically. You can pour that into the gas can if you want. This little thing on top is a throttle that controls it. It just hooks on there. You
Let
have
me
to
see
tip
that
it.
up close again.
It has to be tipped to get it on. So then when it slides back on it, it controls the throttle.
Alright. Put that back in.
This piece of plastic fell out, but it's supposed to be on here. I think it comes with a new one anyway. Can't get it back in. Oh well.
To go the other way?
No. It's just tight. This is the carburetor we're replacing. So this is garbage. It's blocked up inside
No.
or something. I don't know. It's got fuel in it. And